Today we are going to find how many number of spinning trees are possible if something is given like this. Suppose 1, 2, 3, 4. Suppose if it is like this, so from this how many number of spinning trees are possible? How we will calculate? Let's see how many are possible. The cycle should not be there, as we have learned last time, and all vertex should be covered. So how many can be possible from this? We'll see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and 1, 2, 3, 4, like this, 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 and 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. So total how many we can say? All are covered. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. So total how many? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All are covered now. So how many spinning trees can be possible with this graph? 8. So we can suppose like this. If we calculate 5 C 3 minus 2. How? The 5 is the number of edges. How many number of edges are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 is the number of vertex minus 1. So 4 vertex are there, so 3. Minus 2 is the how many number of cycles are present over here. This is 1, this is 2. So if we calculate it, so we'll get factorial 5, factorial 3, factorial 2. So if we calculate it, then what we will get? We will get 4 into 5, 3 will be cancelled by this, so we are not writing 3, and 2. So if we calculate it, total 10 and minus 2, so it is equal to 8. So here are also 8. So in this way, this is the formula we can calculate. So in the similar way, if we have like something like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many number of spinning tree are possible with this graph? So how we will calculate again? Total number of edges, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we'll write 6. Number of vertex minus 1. So 5. So it will be 4. Minus how many number of cycle can be possible? So 4 length cycle is 1. So we'll write 1 plus 3 length cycle. 3 length cycles are 3. Like this, we can say 3. So total 6C4 minus 4. So if we calculate it, so we will get factorial 6, factorial 4, factorial 2. So 6, 5, it will go 2. 15, and 15 minus 4 will be 11. So number of spanning trees are 11. So in this way, this is the formula. We can find out with any graph how many number of spinning trees are possible.